Facebook Lives and Instagram Lives are great and automatically record your presentation.
Do you want, in this one, Laura, do you want a thing here for tech support so we kind of have one slide per thing? Because we have speaking of tech, and then we have there are other things here for the join, and then we have most require a slight fee. They give you more advanced features and more tech support.
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, let me find a tech support thing. This looks like a tech support guy. So does this.
In a suit. That guy
They're
looks
tech support guys.
I don't like guys with suits for gardening.
No, they're tech support.
That's even worse. The guy should have a man bun or something.
You guys like this one? Because that's what it is. It's a Facebook live stream. It's an Instagram live stream.
Yeah, I think that's.
Steve and Laura are like, we're out of our comfort zone.
Totally.
Yeah, definitely. Which is why I do get a little concerned about not having enough physical presentation ideas for people who are not tech savvy like us.
Yep.
Because I ain't doing all this. I ain't doing it.
And what's this one?
Oh, I like that. Should I stay?
That's good. Bart, you like that?
Yep, that works.
Oh,
Okay.
I like that one.
Should I stay or should I
go now?
Yeah,
That's what I got yesterday's song off of my brain.
Remember that group Flash? Yeah, happy when I'm on my knees. One day it's fine, the next it's black.